everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix Google Sheets stuck unloading. Google Sheets can get stuck on loading screen for several reasons, including app glitches, sync problems, outdated software, or issues with the spreadsheet itself. If you're unable to open your files, try these troubleshooting steps. So first, you need to force close and reopen Google Sheets. So the app may have encountered a temporary error. So on Android, you can open settings, then go to apps, then go to Google Sheets, and just click force stop. Then reopen the app and check if the spreadsheet loads. On iPhone, you can swipe up from the bottom, then close Google Sheets, then launch it again, and see if that works. Next, make sure Google Sheets is up to date. So open Google Play Store or App Store, then search for Google Sheets, then install any available updates. Next, you can also go to Settings, then from here scroll down and go to General. Next, scroll down and go to iPhone Storage. Then from here, scroll down and search for Google Sheets. So once you open it, click on Offload App, then click Offload App again. So once you see Reinstall App, click on that. So this will free up storage used by the app but keep its documents and data. So wait for it to finish. So once done, go ahead and open Google Sheets and see if that works. Now, if Google Sheets only gets stuck when opening one specific spreadsheet, you can ask someone else to open the file or try accessing it from another device. If the file opens elsewhere, the issue is likely device specific. If it doesn't open anywhere, the spreadsheet itself may need to be restored from an earlier version or repaired. And that's it.